Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to change Audi A5 gear knob easy method. Start by gathering your Torx driver, trim tool, and a clean cloth so you have everything ready. Remove the old knob carefully to avoid scratching leather or trim. I will guide you through removing the trim, loosening the retaining screw, and fitting the new knob for a snug, factory feel. Follow each step slowly and test the shifter before driving. In this video, I will show how to change Audi A5 gear knob easy method. Gently pry the shift boot trim away to reveal the Torx screw, then loosen that screw and pull the knob straight up. Be careful not to force the knob sideways, which can damage the spline or trim. I explain how to manage stuck knobs and how to protect leather trim during removal. Keep screws safe and inspect the shaft for wear. In this video, I will show how to change Audi A5 gear knob easy method. Position the new knob spline correctly, press it onto the shaft, and tighten the Torx screw to secure it. I walk you through checking alignment, ensuring the knob sits straight, and testing gears to confirm smooth operation. Refit the shift boot trim and verify all clips are engaged. Final tips include cleaning fingerprints and testing a short.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.